Assalamualaikum dear students, how are you doing? I hope you and your family are fine and enjoying good health. Dear students, attend your virtual classes and do your homework regularly. Okay, it's your social studies class. Now, my dear students, here is your book, Social Studies book. Now, get your Social Studies book and open page number 1, and our unit number 1 is Where We Live. हम कहाँ रहते हैं. And the chapter number 1 of this unit is Hafiz Jalandhari. Hafiz Jalandhari. So this unit is about Hafiz Jalandhari, our hero. He is our hero because he wrote our national anthem. And what is the national anthem that we read daily in our morning assembly? Pak Sar Zameen Shad Baad. So dear student, who wrote this great national anthem? Hafiz Jalandhari. Now my dear student, let's read our unit Hafiz Jalandhari, our hero. This is your page number 1. A hero of Pakistan. Pakistan ka hero. You learned to sing Pakistani national anthem in book number 1. Now it is time to know about the person who wrote the anthem for our country, Pakistan. Now dear students, it's time to know that who is the poet of our national anthem. His name is Abu al-Asr Hafiz Jalandhari. So the name or poet of our national anthem is Abu al-Asr Hafiz Jalandhari. He was born in Jalandhar in East Punjab. Where he was born? He was born in Jalandhar in East Punjab. He was a poet and wrote many songs which became popular with the people. Now, Abu al-Asr Hafiz Jalandhari wrote many songs and wrote many poems. Then his poem became popular among peoples. He wrote a book, and what is the name of his book? Shahnamah-e-Islam. He wrote a book, Shahnamah-e-Islam, and an anthem for the people of Kashmir. Now let's move to our next topic. He is Hafiz Jalandhari, who is our national hero. After independence, the government of Pakistan held a contest for the national anthem of the country. Hafiz Jalandhari entered that contest and wrote an anthem for the new country, Pakistan. His anthem came first in the competition, and today all Pakistanis sing the anthem. And what was the anthem? Pak Sar Zameen Shad Baad. And this is the important part of our assembly. So who wrote this anthem? Hafiz Jalandhari. Abul Asr Hafiz Jalandhari. Now open page number 2. This is your page number 2. Let's read this paragraph. What is this? This is Hilale Ahmar, Hilale Imtiaz. What is this? This is Hilale Imtiaz. The government of Pakistan awarded the Hilale Imtiaz to Hafiz Jalandhari. Later in 1958, he was given the Pride of Performance for his literary services. So, Hafiz Jalandhari awarded a Hilal-e Imtiaz by Government of Pakistan. Due to his pride of performance, the government of Pakistan awards those people who have made Pakistan proud of their work. So this Hilal-e-Imtiaz is given to those people who who are the प्राउड ऑफ पाकिस्तान, जो पाकिस्तान के लिए बाइसे फ़ख्र हैं, उनको ये हिलाल इम्तियाज़ दिया जाता है. तो दिस अवार्ड इज़ ऑल्सो अवॉर्डेड टू हफीज़ जलंधरी बाय द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ पाकिस्तान. Now students, in 2001, a postage stamp was also printed with Hafiz Jalandhari's photograph. It is Hafiz Jalandhari photograph and rupees 2. So this is the postage stamp and this is issued, this is printed, this was printed in which year? In 2001. He is hero of Pakistan. Hafiz Jalandhari is the hero of Pakistan as he gave his talent to his country by writing a beautiful anthem. So he is the hero of Pakistan. So students, today we come to know that who is the hero of Pakistan? Hafiz Jalandhari, because he wrote our national anthem. This is page number 3 of your book and this is exercise. This exercise contains different activities just like true or false, just like question answers. So dear students, let's move toward true and false. Activity true or false. True or false. Our first line is Hafiz Jalandhari, who wrote anthem for people of Kashmir. This statement is true. The government of Pakistan held a contest for national flag. Dear students, this line is false. Our third line is a postage stamp with Hafiz Jalandhari photographs was printed in 1950. This statement is also false. The government of Pakistan awarded Hafiz Jalandhari the Hilal-e Imtiaz. Here is the picture of Hilal-e Imtiaz in front of you, which is golden in color. Yes, this statement is true. Shahnama-e-Islam is about the capital city, Islamabad. This statement is also false. Here is our notebook activity. This activity contains fill in the blanks that are related to our book. Hafiz Jalandhari was born in Jalandhar in East Punjab. So our blank is Jalandhar. He was a dash and wrote many songs. He was a poet and wrote many songs. Our third blank is the government of Pakistan awarded the dash to Hafiz Jalandhari. The government awarded him Hilal Imtiaz. Activity. Now dear students, let's move toward question answers. Our first question is, who wrote Pakistan's national anthem? The answer of this question is Abul Al-Asr Hafiz Jalandhari wrote Pakistan's national anthem. Question number 2 is, explain What an anthem is? Anthem क्या होता है? The answer of this question is a national anthem, कौमी तराना, is a song of praise for country. दुआ है हमारी कंट्री के लिए, and this is the song of praise for country. Question number 3 is where was Hafiz Jalandhari born? कहाँ पे पैदा हुए? Hafiz Jalandhari was born in Jalandhar in East Punjab. The answer of this question is he born in East Punjab. Question number 4. Name the books written by Hafiz Jalandhari. And the answer of this question is Shahnamai Islam. Shahnamai Islam. Question number 5 is why was Hafiz Jalandhari awarded Halale Imtiaz? The answer of this question is Hafiz Jalandhari was awarded Hilale Imtiaz for his literary services. Question number 6. Why was a postage stamp with his picture brought out? This is to give him a tribute for writing national anthem. Question number 7 is what make Hafiz Jalandhari a hero of Pakistanis? The answer of this question is Hafiz Jalandhari's literary service make him a hero for Pakistan. Dear students, note all the questions that are in front of you on your neat notebook and learn all these questions as well. Let's move toward homework. Our homework is read unit number 1 and write and learn fill in the blanks, true, false and question answers on neat notebook. Dear students, I hope that you have understood the lecture, and if you still have any question regarding this lecture, call me at school number. I will answer your all queries. Dear students, complete all the tasks that are assigned to you in 2 days and share the picture of your homework on school's WhatsApp number. That's all for today. See you next time. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe. And Allah Hafiz.